Welcome to 6224 Johnson Way, the schoolhouse. This 4-bed, 3-bath, single-family home, located in the Alta Vista neighborhood of Arvada, Colorado, was built in the 1950s and was originally a Jefferson County schoolhouse. This original construction allows for 3,300 finished square feet of open floor plan. Sitting on a 1/4-acre lot, this home also boasts a 2-car garage and second exterior entrance. Nearly every inch has been redone and is ready for you to move right in. I'm Megan Ivy with USA Realty. Come check the house out. It's got everything you need and more.